Welcome everybody, CryptoStrang here. Today another update on Verasity. People who follow this channel know it's one of my biggest holdings, one of my biggest hopes. Caused a lot of FUD within the community. People absolutely adore this project. You get a lot of people being negative about it, possibly people who bought in at the highs, for example, and see it been dropping quite a lot over the last year or so. As we enter the bull market, I strongly do believe we'll go through the all-time high, but obviously there's no guarantee. See on the screen at the moment, it's still 0.002, actually down 9%. Over the last 24 hours alone. The market cap is just over 21 million, so really low cap at the moment, in my opinion. The supply is still not fixed on CoinMarketCap. We know what's been going on. We spoke many times about the POV tokens coming out, the constant burn of the VRA itself. So, me personally, we're perfectly poised with Veracity, ready for the next bull market to get some real solid profits. I really do believe in the fact it's got a genuine use case, this project, okay? Now, they've got a lot going on within the Veracity ecosystem. I know I've mentioned this many times. We'll go through it briefly in this video, but just thought I'd give an update brief on the latest news from Veracity, because I think I say it's a big team, huge plans, and I say a lot of negativity out there, but obviously a very strong community as well who really do believe in this project. Only time will tell, obviously. But the fact we're currently ranked 679 with market just over 21 million, to me, is a real gem at this moment. Now, Mark Firth, the CEO, announced this year, best of luck to Veracity and the Veraviews team as they touch down in Tokyo for WebEx 2024. They do really seem to be going to a lot of conferences now and putting Veracity out there. I remember the conference in Dortmund a few months ago where the team had a lot of publicity as well. So I found this interesting, the fact that Mark Firth, the CEO, he said, while they are busy in Tokyo, I'm en route to London to meet with a group of tier one publisher prospects. Okay, now that is huge. Obviously, we talk about the ad fraud, what obviously Veracity is designed for, to get rid of all the ad fraud, to make when people actually buy an ad package, it's genuine human beings will view that. As every aspect of operations fires on all cylinders, here's a 2-minute snippet from a recent interview where I dropped some info on what's brewing the Veracity pipeline. Okay, so they've got this interview here. It's on X. If you want to put it, I'll put the link below. But it's interesting when they talk about it, and I think the team really do need to put out this news. And I've said before, I think it would be absolutely fantastic and paramount to their future if they would just do a monthly, or even every 3 months, a monthly AMA. I think it would be massive, absolutely huge for the community. I really think it would take it to the next level. If people could ask the questions direct, they'd have the whole team there to actually answer the questions. You know, the concerns about the POV token, when is it coming out? Exactly, where's Veracity going? You know, a lot of clarification on the project. I think it'll do absolute wonders. I truly do believe that. Also on Veracity, they're doing this competition now on Gout, so we can see now live up to the August the 31st, so basically end of this week. Basically, you can enter into a competition. You've got a chance of winning Veracity, okay? Now, you just have to do certain tasks, not huge tasks, just, retweets, etc. So there's something there you can actually go and join that competition. Now, I found this interesting on hub.xyz when you /Veracity. It goes through everything about their ecosystem. Obviously, they've got all their social media links there, but explore Veracity. And that's what I say when we talk about a project with a genuine use case and a massive ecosystem. Obviously, Veracity itself, the VeraWallet, the Veraviews, got merch store there, but the roadmap, I've shown many times, the white paper, and also the team itself is a huge team, okay, and the Web3 communities you got there as well. The VRA token itself, the dual token model status, they're splitting Veracity, we're going to have VRA Veracity and the new POV tokens to be built on Tron. It's even clarified there it'll be on Tron. You can see it on the testnet stage. You've got the dev launch, Oracle's production list in Bird. Now, we strongly believe whoever's got a VeraWallet will get some of these POV tokens airdrop, which would be fascinating to see how many you get, obviously, and the price when it goes on exchanges. Okay, I think that'd be absolutely bad. Now, we speak about this a lot. Basically, every quarter they do these burns. Now, revenue burn history. You can see there, July the 7th was the last one. Nearly 71 million burn. Total revenue burn to date. Look at that. 426 million. Okay, now that is a lot, obviously. So current stock claims by 9.9 billion. Okay, but obviously that is clarification, because we know that it's not 110 billion VRA, because obviously that is not for the actual exchanges or for VRA to be out there. Okay, so this is why we want the POV token to be separate, get the VRA, get the actual true supply. I think Veracity then will be absolutely huge. I still believe we'll get through the all-time high of the last, where it basically got to like 8 cents, about 6 pence. So I strongly do believe that. Obviously, only time will tell, is no guarantee. But when you get these low-cap gems, and this project really is making a lot of progression, I think we could do absolutely fantastic next bull run, okay? Again, talks there about their social media. We're excited to share that. We're teaming up with Power Wallet, the leaders in 100% offline air-gapped cold wallets. Okay, again, great to see. That was a recent tweet. Again, talks about the season 1 Gouts, that competition. Hopefully we'll get the third quarter recap soon. Okay, I think that's really important. Patent portfolio, see proof of view in EU, US, China. content state US as well. So there's a lot of stuff going on, and the main part is obviously the partnerships and their ecosystem. Now, I've spoke about many of these before, but you can see their ecosystem. There's a lot of projects there, a lot of people embracing Veracity. So again, I think we're absolutely perfectly poised. Now, the 2024 white paper reissued. There's a lot of information on this, 36 pages. To me, I like this bit. There's a lot of information, a lot of interest on there, but this to me about the team. Now, a lot of these people, I'm trying to connect with them on LinkedIn and just follow their progress. There's a lot of people there. Now, the Veracity team includes, you can see the new CEO, Mark, also got the legal counsel, chief technology officer, product officer. Veracity, this is what I like. Veracity also has 30 plus full-time developers working on its technology stack. And that's great to see, 30 plus full-time developers. Well, that's really good. Okay, I think that's absolutely fantastic. As you scroll through the white papers, there's a lot of information. Veraviews team itself got all the team there. Again, that's a huge part of the ecosystem. Now, obviously mentioned this roadmap needs to be updated where they are with the third quarter progress. Also got the fourth quarter, we talked about the VeraWallet 2.0 release for all users, the new VRA off-ramp, major improvement communications within the VeraWallet. And I'd say it'd be nice if you could buy direct on the VeraWallet with fiat. I think that'd be absolutely fantastic. Now, talking about the VeraWallet, I covered on the previous video, there was hardly any left in the staking pool. The capacity was very, very minimal. However, they've now increased that, so there's still a lot of capacity to still stake. Okay, obviously I do stake nearly all my VRA on here, and it's obviously giving me those daily rules. Nice passive income. You see the current APY is still 15%. The staking ends next March. Now, who knows if they'll continue that. By then, hopefully we'll have the POV tokens out. The constant VRA burns as well. Who knows if they'll carry on the staking. Really is fascinating to see if they actually increase that. Minimum amount per stake is 10,000 VRA. I've done a dedicated video before on how to stake using the VeraWallet and how to get started. However, if you're in the UK, they stop people joining. I know some people do it with the VPN, etc., but they've basically stopped UK residents because of these damn FCA regulations. But so minimum amount per stake is 10,000 VRA. Max amount per user is 200 million. Wow, that would be something else. Wouldn't it? I can't imagine your rewards if you got that. It'd be absolutely fantastic. So I'm enjoying my daily rewards with VRA. Every time my balance gets to 10,000, I just restake it, constantly accumulating. Because what is great about this is not like it on exchange, we locked in for 60, 90, 120 days. The actual unstaking is any time while in staking. Wait is just 72 hours. Okay, and again, that is absolutely fantastic. I think that's really, really good. Now, again, very active all over Twitter. At one stage, it was one of the most tweeted altcoins in a day because there's always a lot of visibility. I say you got a lot of fun as well, but there's a lot of passionate people out about Veracity. What I like this was the House of Chimera. They do a lot of articles on Veracity, and I like this. They give a Veracity basically talk about Veracity ecosystem overview. Fights ad fraud with its proof of view technology, offering a transparent ecosystem for video content monetization. Veraviews, leveraging basic proof of view technology. Veraviews combats ad fraud, providing transparent IVT tracking for publishers. And you've got genuine human beings watching it. Integration with major platforms. That's going to be absolutely huge. If we need to create Brightcove and other platforms. So again, it's very interesting to follow them on X to get these constant new partnerships updates. I think it's really good. Vera Ads connects Web3 publishers with programmatic ads, bridging traditional and blockchain advertising. And obviously, Vera functionality, we can get the upgrades in this last quarter of this year. Another bit of news on their X was announcing Veraviews UAE debut of AI Specialist Area as our first partner. So it's great they're actually going into the UAE. Together we're uniting Web3 and AI technologies to advance and fraud detection across the Gulf Cooperation Council, GCC. So they're embracing this and getting the partnerships. Once they've got one, you'd like to think more will follow, which includes Bahrain, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia and UAE. Massive countries, huge plans. Big to product release expecting Q4. Okay, got there the partnership now, more in depth, uniting Web3 and AI. I think within the Arab world, how big that market is absolutely fantastic. So there's a lot of positivity. Forget the FUD. You know, I really do believe in this project. I'm saying I've always believed this will give me one of the biggest returns in this upcoming bull market, this bull run we're going to hopefully get very soon. So only time will tell. So there's never financial advice, no guarantee. Only time will tell. So thanks very much. As usual, anyone want to help, email me, info@cryptostrang.com, or my social media links below. Come and join us on Telegram, my Facebook group, etc. Don't hesitate to reach out, help any way I can. So I've also put some links below if you want to join Veracity on various exchanges. And if you're outside the UK, obviously send a VeraWallet and make your Veracity work for you by giving you those daily rewards. So thanks very much. We will chat again soon. Cheers now. Bye.